very nice view. You can see we are taking this view for you from the MRT. This is electric train, no drivers. Very easy to ride, very safe. Every 3 to 5 minutes. On the other side there's another train.